And good morning, everyone. Welcome to CJRZ. It is 7:50, Friday, February the 21st, and we are going live with the elite program that's going on here in Listuguj. This morning we'll be starting off with our usual elite show, Listuguj Education, Training, and Employment. Right now, I'm going to hand it right over to Cami Vicaire, and she'll introduce our speakers in our studio right here this morning. Go ahead, Cami.
Thank you, Floyd, for having us today again. I just wanted to introduce you, our program for today. We have the Adult Mi'kmaq Immersion program here. In front of me, I have Carol Metallic, who is a current teacher of the program, and Gloria Isaac, Brenda Barnaby, who are now students.
Good morning. Waliaksipuk.
And so Gloria is a first-year student, and Brenda is a second-year student. I'm going to hand it off to Carol, as she's going to be interviewing our students here. They're going to be doing everything all in Mi'kmaq today.
Okay, waliaksipuk umsadwen na wanedel jiksitk. Paskidu akano dumun noichka. Dandel lugek wala age adult Mi'kmaq immersion. Desigiskuk man akandi angkos wayel goding labis welcome multing. Beidajik listugujawa student sick. Gis malchawech gis gisugu pechigina masoldijik eklisi dimino. Exipo 9 o'clock beskunadik desiji exipuk beidajik labis sis dajia jaladaik meuniagwek. Na desi giskik beidajik pechigina masoldijik noe eklisi dimino. Kiznesi bunkek bemi ulaich Mi'kmaq adult immersion. Nanigeni na amkwes asma dabu ibunke bem gahadu. Gesadum egina maik maju kwademek aich stige program ukji level 1 level 2 na age Gail Metallic Diane egina mwajik. Negmo ho meshka advance oldijiga me genek gedu which lisadi ninen artiju abon mail nin nina height Jessica Metallic eginamo getchi level 1 na danige gekunegechik tabuiske gel azagom desijik students sik emojik adult immersion program apugalkina Bugalki Bahalayul Diagab Desit na in dan gidon no ginamasit Bahalayul Diagab well lugudijik Mamun well lugudijik na danjiju ayajiga start doing na August Naidayek. No, well, September, yeah. Giz Labor Day weekend.
Yeah.
Nakadayag April agaya. Nigena which ku wala September la na level 3 banado which. Medan wani gedu which medan danik me arawin no hisul digi na level 3 il dada. Nanam kusuedo no walaich no tibunkek panado which la nanige gidubi baninkik aichka la Gloria Brenda Barnaby Gloria naniga level 1 am kusue biggest Gloria wakach nestigup nige giskuga deliak genek widget. Yeah, everybody must Gloria. Medalik Sadaman Mi'kmaq Lisa di Elgina Masin.
Oh, Maui Alexander.
Gis Limitas Gloria. Dan did you be bunny moon and Yano de Muina Koya Dalegas Menchasinek Dalwisik Gingi Guk Tampas Koreano de me, Goimako de Moose of Sebe.
Okay. Doe up new desagiet exikponok
Eksipuge.
exikbugek sumtuk menjaya elduai up miskig wiganabu
Oh. Koy waswado na. Koy waswado na. Ich gonna bu. Koy
moko
mo ko koy maktawe.
well no laglem
Taglem.
Luckily, yeah. I watch TV a little bit.
Cut them up.
I cut them up TV each guy each. Then
But wala instead of ben gagnige ya Gloria dan
Yeah.
juning gelulun. Dan juning gelulun wala instead of ben limun nan dazu gani kiskuk. Dazu gani kiskuk.
dazu gonna kiss with double skeg gunit JNL. Wilta multim no. A big legit.
Kis.
There's the
Ja, dep kunze.
dep concept.
Dep puldik ya.
Dep bultik. So nestem nige before okay.
Amquest. Es que me la pegues en wale.
Mo nestem.
Unestem wa. Unestem. Unestem wa.
No, more
Okay.
able to say any of
O mugis lisi wa.
Mugis de lisi wap le dep concedewi desi gunet or the numbers there. Nagwego? No. Nagwego, more able to say none of that. But nige, they do all of them.
Gay do umsit. Umsit gay one. Gid you go whether the meet up amkasoek bokchina masinek migamoe glizuri. And then did you ajim pan the berry again? Go berry doing?
Bewe nige in Louisi. The way up in Louisi and Mooch, because Mooch cheat, so Mooch. Oh, do you want to cheat?
Ganjak na nige na. Ha? Yeah, ganjak na nige.
Good job.
Then you get out limon no Gloria gis no do Gloria Isaac that gis a woge dich kam a kenek wedget in the way migamoe glizuri. Well dazu di egdina na you know nemi do you don't geluk not go you know bemia. Then you gave one no Brenda Barnaby glulus you know each gadget negam na Brenda level 2 may negam each ka may negam gato in the way glizuri Brenda negam mo age group mo level 1 nelia group negam sum to get so out deka elki me get the level 2 so pipani mas Brenda may Dandeluisich ungi guk Dandeluisi benik tami wat takayech patambas ko igdu anut ka Dandeluisich ujich ugu middle. Okay, Brenda.
Telusi Brenda ko yamat. Kes may way layawi. Bas list ko wigi. Sladik to manchi ko make. At bokchi kidu kinamasi me enuisi ukchik nujij. Mo enuiso tijik but mo when ekun tijik ukchik
Mo en get ko na di ko
na aduan gistelimi Gail gistelimi kidu chuwen wellness
What instant
iwigaman akali built the eltakte again tell me chubu ukchi kinama suri okay na nige gesadam bokchi NWC me
yeah
nuji got nigga mo when
Yeah.
Akan no dumadi jig. Anu ito.
Yeah.
Steady bas ni nak Duffy. Ak no jig.
Yeah. Which good Brenda, kisha coach kelulis kas niga nuito?
Nuch.
Pas a coach?
Nuch na nige nuch bas steady
Desi giskuk.
desi giske. Akan no dumit.
Akano dumuit?
Akan no dumuit. Anu ito na nestem pas mo gis.
Nesta Pas mo gusto mo go?
Mo gis dalawa mo. Na nige bokchi.
Bokchi dua.
Yeah, nega mo. Chigwa
Which squad?
which squad kinama sudi we got again me which pana and we see which got
Yeah.
gaidu
Yeah.
so nanige
Nanige akatimen danduju bisquane ganige. Adali akatimen me mamuni ikjidu nige.
oh yes
Yeah, me mamuni ikjidu na.
neda gikche
Me nadagi chen.
Ak iwige.
we ge medwe danduju agno de mai bisquai bokchi kinama si dan gikchen das kis agno de mai danduju kat
Yeah.
ba
Nin-
jiwa ka medwe
Nindi jual tanju elgiche ya. Muistes tu gluswahan. Ba ejigla basi ya muakatmu na gluswahana. Gistes tu ranju ejigla basi. Kas bugal ko na gluswahana. Doje bugal ko gluswahana medwegel. Nokte gluswahana. You know, edukchel ai.
giseo men
Gizeo des.
me which one gay doing like generally
Yeah.
no me which one gay do si puno kismen chaya alo gina chegal
Lugi to go.
oh ba woof tu ya mo te bagan mo gero start keme oh my goodness what the thing did you reach out
So
kamid
Dalwin age.
oh that's my love that's my love
But usam cuisine sabi. Usam cuisine. It'll ginama haika level one.
Nuji just no gold pichi.
Oh.
Ekung Mogedu dan delawat fever.
Okay. Guess no idea.
Yeah.
Epsid go it. Epsid. Absent go it. Absent go it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last wow. Iktigulahu.
Bokchi. Okay.
Oh, bochi.
Yeah. Red dots.
Yeah.
Oh, is
Yeah.
that?
That's scarlet fever.
Yeah.
Nega bugal.
Yeah.
Bugal medyo hajis guess no what.
Yeah.
Mo was medyo hajis.
Yeah.
Is book.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No good chiki.
Yeah.
Was mo?
Scarlet fever.
Well, dai, mali o dami.
Di mo liyo, dami mo Mogedu dan wigin.
Okay. Siya wiya kanu dumas. Akanu te sa hija. Well, adult migma immersion. Big which cool with Mara men sis desigal depkunza. I excusoni which yet Blair Gould. The biggest thing nigga ma. Excuse me,
Someone did it.
the Beji SSOologic student sick. The nigga ma recommend what to dan the Jew students student liach novice gives intermediate gives na age advance. Dan when ik advance dada level 3 na age level 2 dan megedu which glisity na eldagic level 3. May ajigina more than grammar dan delta school dan deli mangkluzwahan and in you know sige nin gila negam giza wulago giskuk aksabonok the negamo giskay chido didel negala na may allow level 3 I may gina more than age grammar may meski got that at least a conversational na nige novice na negamo level 1 Basta gidud lalaget chik nige ya la which ku sigawigos. Qu'est-ce que manaka dep kunset kayok marchal nala qu'est-ce que na dep kunset kayok. Na gidu il gidu mugetchik ay mi majuino dan degenik giduk swadu which tlisudi la which ku September. Nanige na mi majuino ga ikchites ne nandesida ikchites ne giduk chiru egninen geidu which da saganwe gizagis lisul de ichka gis na pamu pekach geidu di koi na dan degenik pekach mo geidu di koi ya na igun modes ne na ila wi gadigan ukchit enmien atkinamasin ges kemana evaluate on alamag Augustal so na men akchito ichka medakchi men ikchito ichka daniju bokchigi namas uldik August September nan amu stigemu me still getting much me getting much na ich gizi gun modes nen gizi gun modes nen tutor which the bokon musin so tara when gizichka gate nan video white novice first novice low nadliya ka doon na to Jew kadu nigay wali na pa
genau, wir wollen Urlaub. Okay. Okay, men der nächste hatte Manager, alle genug der Maschine, gis nige ja. Kaigwan gis kisiguin nige ja, medaling swado na, medaling tueg, also me na amase. Dan del genug der Maschine los sie.
Na amase dan boredom.
Was tadi boredom in Gila?
Agni maui gizigoisto.
Boredom nige.
Tidak boleh. Betul sini.
Dan tuju. When I was young.
Matsuwe Julian
Dan tuju matsuwe abenek.
Excuse me, Ali. I said, "Nige dah luar ni je. Mas cewek na nige na build to the stories. Bilu alan we kada luar dah nut queen.
Nut Queen. Yeah.
Is nut mana? No. Nut queen is nut queen am the youngest.
Yeah.
Adel me never na, right? Is nut mana?
No, muna ni nut.
No. Yeah. Well,
Maybe.
I'll tell you a little story.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Red Bank, dia mana little J ma dia lah ni dah bahad lah dia kelas kukedu na. Bem tu gila bide ji jaj. Ni dah bah wal mumi macam ni. Pasal ni we adlo dia na dia lah. Iwi wild dah ke bah. Ini kelas kukedu dia ke bah. Ada lu ada. Bem tu gila bide ji ja. Malci we je mula. Deli na wendana. Oh dah lu ada je. Dah lu ada kue ji jamau nut kue na. Nadelo dengan mul. Nadelo ni kau isum tu kan delta siap. Nada lah ada kita.
Nut Queen.
Muda lah ada kan. But delo ada. Mungkin nan mine nut kau. Game ni no. Amkas nut nah. Delo ada mal cewek. Delo delta siap. Sekarang kau kau delta siap. Nada lah ada kan. Muda lah ada kan.
Pecah nak koi. Well ni nandeling close to the pecah nak koi nugek.
Nut kau.
Nut Queen. Yeah.
Dan tuju aji.
Nut Queen.
You can mold them into.
Yeah.
Nandige ulan nige mo level dan jibis ko na dit ait ka classroom ka muna delten ka glisudi ukchit pas ginamuan classroom glisudi still ginamasides dambasak tami dambasak tami kiskil ginamasides nan nam tijuaya mai dai el dai ko ni buktu alas no campum apa se guisugudi ega pa anu wisul di ega
Mali up there, you will take Nardil.
Yeah. Na
gizol di no tigis ko was ko dai ega nadel mo exipogel bazak stige gidu eginamu etchika anu way at lisudi baz meuli agregel gismenet niku when it'll jik so do no to gisku when gismenet when
Sikte wala.
so nake no amo sik to osi din chichu waka
Shaking.
yeah usam pugal
Yeah.
You know?
Glusawakan nak.
Yeah.
yeah
You know, nin
But I get look nice, huh?
and tip and tip.
Waju wa
What you walk?
Yeah.
na age na meuni hagwek na aldares ne nada moldares ne kiza biskugi ma den nada when uchit logen kiz na pas mildares ne nakoi kurbich you know kurbich najuska yeah mildares ne nakoi but dan dek bijek nui soldidich
Yeah.
kiz na lite eldajik elduidel bichani kiz igemni
Oh, yeah.
nadel
Marken.
Magen kizi get the benek. So Milial Dayak na?
Yeah.
Milial Dayak kes ani midit.
Tak nige Diane, it'll Wayop School,
Wayop School?
Daisy Bo, Kuzabonu, Wayop School.
Desi bo usabu. Mo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Better dig
Yeah.
Don't forget the ski.
Abijala drunk, huh?
Nanige was
I know.
nanige was go to me little skits and no it took.
Oh, yeah.
And then said na buhi get this nen I got this nen at Facebook. Xani midit.
You got those of look there. Pajawan, his cell phone, you run up over even.
Brenda na. Yeah. So yeah na Millie al Dayak na Millie Louise Dieka. You know negamo na bulky no demano. There's a giskuk.
Yeah.
Muna basik enkobol di wekaich classroom. Dan elginamas uldiek elginamas uljik. Anin delu elginamas yelnin because manakiaski ada week. Akidu da week. Yeah. But ada wo okay.
Anyway, that weekend, that do. Each car.
Dan delu nin
Chenaka.
yeah. Sige ni nige ya. Ni na nego nepso calling ka anuisi.
Yeah.
Okay? Nepso calling tanin dali ginamas yep na. I was
Raised.
Yeah. Raised.
Yeah.
So nakatem nige aja grammar. Ding meganiskam. Did you Medwin Sudam? Medwin Sudam? Because he's gay do.
Yeah.
Basta pero ginamuing. You know,
Yeah.
did you Medweg uchidnina. Basta mu basik nin del question of work down.
Hello, the Nina will I la focus group build like what? Work a little on Neo Doodle than Mona I was at Noel Gissa.
There's
And now cheated and no cheat.
Yeah.
And Tuggle Elmuko, no cheat. Elmuko no.
Where was it?
Edegel?
Yeah.
Tanju Nayas ago. Or 60 bar on Windy, I tell one the West Scotland.
Yeah.
The name you got there, Bazindu is ulti.
Bazindu,
Yeah.
yeah.
There's a bit of a little way alien, the Lord of Mamoni, me, Legamo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basta like you dan gislu and Floyd work there na sa gusto
Yeah.
ama mugaido gel abijasik.
Yeah.
You know, gino dan leu ka?
Udah segi sekega mon mai jino.
No.
Abijadi no.
Gino dan leu yuk. So nada little na sa gauge.
Yeah.
In a way.
Swell. Basko.
Yeah. So nada little na sa. Basta nige work no matter you know kiduk swado.
John.
Yeah. Kiduk ginamo ay.
Ginamo adi.
Yeah.
Mia muchpana gino. Ginamo.
Yeah. Iliyata.
Siya ninen ako do madi nujich and no to
Yeah.
they're gonna grow and they'll have this.
Okay, katali ka na do me ay ja kaluso dia. Kuchu mo guys dan nadal ginamasim.
Ako do ma.
How do you promote the use of language outside the classroom?
Ako do ma.
Yeah, I was ba.
Yeah.
Me
Isip ko na mas particular dado and that
Yeah.
no easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ni bahalay with age, Dale Metallic.
Yeah.
Oh, this
Del take of the juguan that. Pasanigam, but what's water hope negam? Panela web kiduginamasi.
Yeah.
And then we Dale 5 or 6 hours days ago. Hours. Pasiginamasi need to.
Yeah.
Eginamasi. Uchala kanu the magic.
Oh yeah.
Yes, we go uchala kanu the magic. Pana pasik bahalay with it ain't that what it is.
Delo na ja Abijah do na the old school way. Dan which can almost in Gigwa. When absolute card as in Bochigolo, do you? And me, which you can, and then which can do Masilo and Jijua, the Wajia will unmim swing his away. What you win is winner. Dam Tilda and Dam Wajia, unmim Skizua. Unmim to your chicken, quages, whatever, Not a limp to you on a Wajia, Dam Wajia on that.
Yeah.
But
me Delaware in me. But what as a guy, at least outside the classroom, right?
Yeah.
Kuchumuka, ban of us, is a dumb daycare, Sadamun, Emido was in another noble No, Muchi,
No.
Giz a Banado dish daycare, Uchidaichka, adult Migma immersion. Because Bulky Multiwich. Ebichka was wadu which it'll give Amazon the chick, was the own Jano up, Kekunai,
yeah.
Did you have biscuit chicken? Yeah.
Well, I could come in Nuji Zula would have done Louisi Dagama. No, Louisi, brother. Did you ask Punky died? As you will be money because you will have been for Vula. Even him not going must be I love it. Yeah, I was parking it. That's less in the we get yeah.
So Delaware ni may bugal takoy ba wala sa kuchumuk.
Yeah.
Uchid Abijad no anyway lisody.
Yeah.
Yeah. May bugal Mubasa, yeah. Anyway, it'll link up Nidabesk education complex. Lago, the link up Aksadamuk, Nemi to us. Doji Mamon Madnaka as a Uklisi diminus to get and then Madnaka is Mamigo.
Yeah.
You know, my day, Kaya, no way, Lisody. I'm of Charlotte and Nan and below it say, at Kinamo. My dodgy.
Yeah. After Vanilla cut them, there's one Majaja, and he's up to the picture.
He's a bit, yeah.
They've taken their teachings with them.
Got done book the Mexico Blage, well, at those the Alganoma Simka, Medali Ulod again, Gida June, Louisi.
Don't you allow the gate under the window?
Yeah, well, yeah, that's good.
It's mine.
Yeah.
It's where
with Dagaye.
Done with Dagaye.
Yeah.
Oh no. No, but I'll no. No.
Allegoria. Uluxo. Ginequajik. I knew in the first level.
Yeah.
But you, but 60 baralay with it.
Wow. In Kitch. Now Maui in Louisi Negam, but more Dale with
would lay with listeners.
Yeah, well, no, but she didn't talk to us.
Oh, would Negam Maui in Louisi. Yeah, Maui in Louisi.
But lost that, and the need. So I got. Oh, chicken now.
Yeah.
Did you have in
practice with limey?
Yeah, that's an
Did you have in Portugal Yanega? Because the way Telemundo of Gigo, Gistabu Bunkek, Edelway, adult immersion. Did you have Doji Mamuni in Louisi? No, disc? Or but did you have Muzi? Did you want cut the Malasi away? Each close one? Think Dali no, Dali no close one. In the way, close one, the Yakan. The way Dali
So hot flesh at 8 o'clock in the morning.
I love it. It's nice and warm. I love it. Maui setup is nice and empty.
Yeah, it's coming from here, right?
No, either one.
Great. I thought my butt was warm enough.
May go have Kudu and Brenda?
Give you after so.
Heptic. Yeah, heptic.
Okay.
station. See,
Dan ik niet wat is kijk, weet je students 60 last year like to get no te bon kijk. Did you wat is Brooke? Ala age 10-26 is na ram kami alang ko yan. Will this was Brooke? Pas gon Louise yek. Moes waren we go amus pakel go da.
Yeah.
En so when what kijk go on. So we and then it'll get in midi of nadel. You know, bugal kiduk so hado, but bugal kelo good. You know, age and you broke and you what this how think broke muso alone neck.
Deldo, see, dan did you eloquent ula list to coach. Kedu was a wadum.
Gisigan multen. Pibanikas in noti bunke you know, mush may pibanikas in gisik swad noti bunke. Okchidaji aji ginamas in Gleason de Mino. Yeah, Jack Brenda. Brenda Jermaine. Brenda Jermaine gina kam nagam mo siya.
Oh, hey.
I don't know easy don't know.
Okay, tell us your going make easy iganada is this. What can be improved? Going make easy anquatas is this. Okchi the close di. Me skoda se kanaichka kudan mino in our community. What can be done to promote the language more in our community?
Delaware nin exadamo istige negamo elke megachik no tigisk nadawan ukchit alwije wan unno banok tigisk enkobi nade bedwe machik akono de machik adanko wajik dambasakore paschik sadat negam abon mastandelisin banok tigisk al alwije wajik am skik de age Lisa did, you know, and
Round the Jew. Aim. Leave it up. Arandi eu. Muen. Akalasi eu.
more when all series,
Bokchi.
yeah.
What am I not going to what's going to be when it is in?
No, it took.
They're coming around.
Yeah. Political resource material, get good megalinin. We'll get a guide to internet to go to Chido. Yeah. We'll go. Yeah. We'll go to Chido and goes on Mugadun. You know, he's latest Migma online. Slimulton.
No, no, easy.
Okay, then me at Tanjugaya, la Asia, the West Cordomora. Smiling, Hila. Okay. Okay, no, the guy at la West Cordomora. Don't take the whole West anyway. Oh, the Talsia what talks of Tandelgan or the Masin. Same is Garbix Siglaja programmer, because I'm going to my Garbix in a way.
Mới được có bên đồ tanh đến luôn.
Yeah, but you give a clue. Give a clue na siya kaya hula kaya la program ni kaya mus pagila siya wado na kill.
Ako na lumay.
Yeah.
Ako na lumay and my family.
Well, at least kila kuna do ngi kwa tanan no
Yeah. Me much pana akkat men steady.
Yeah.
We got to get Yeah.
Except when you name to us, see Gaia, more me and education come. See Maui Dunk, I know the Mardi. Well, gold is I can the goal or done by the Jew, Maui Dunk. Me do I just got me to go jig. I know gold jig. That way.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Cammy, you still here?
Just listening. Something
Back to you.
Well, it's we've gone way past the 30 minutes. And you guys
Well,
were
this
worried.
Really?
You guys were a little worried.
We started at 10:02.
Wow.
So,
That's it. Chill up.
I just want to thank you guys for coming in. I really, really appreciate it. I think it was a really great show.
Was.
Yeah.
We're not done yet.
I had to pay attention very hard. I catch on to things here and there. But you guys did really well. Especially you, Brenda. Like, I'm very shocked.
And yeah, and maybe Cammy, you can mention the people that are interested in the coming, I think it's going to be the end of March and early part of April. We're going to be sending out material and invitations or people that are interested in the language, and they can get assessed. And if they don't have any speaking, if they don't have any Mi'kmaq at all, then we can help them before the actual assessment in August.
And can I say, like I've worked, and every time I'd see some kind of course like this going on, I'd be like, oh, I wish I could do that. Oh, I wish I could do that, and never find the time, right?
Yeah, no,
and
you can.
When I stopped working, and I said, I wonder if I can get in. And I went for the interview, and I was like, I'm not sure. Because, I mean, I carried a little conversation with the interviewer, but she asked me one thing, and I was like, I don't even recognize that word. Yeah. So I'm like, I don't know what you said.
Yeah. Pas no te da ako gidutuloy. Tanji guy ginamasulig level 1 level 2 na egwil mo getjik dan namin tulugudida labis August labis bokchi ginamasulig. Tanji atlugudidich narama namus pasagad innuizulig.
Okay.
Yeah, pasagad innuizulida. Yeah. Nanigay amus pa bokchi will make tanamin etul dada tandem etul lugudida. Need mado asay summer camp. Pasagad nuituk. Grade 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Hey, we up to that. You don't want to get here. You go. We don't want to buy. So you saw we die or you move to well die or. Let's put no go sit again. Only level 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, mubas.
Okay. Sit when. Yeah. Nigay uchi mai die detta. El die guys Richardsville.
Yeah.
Haji nasis.
Just kidding.
Just kidding.
Yeah, Chida. Brendan Olive, sit by Brendan. Just sit by her. Is hot? He's overheating right now.
I can feel that heat coming from her.
Okay. We're going to go freeze ourselves.
Will I be a Cammy?
Yeah.
Floyd? Will I be a Cam? No, it doesn't look up.
Jadi ada link kulai kami what mo na nokte nokte show we got den basen nu isu ti lo kisane wat ke lagi za ek ko bol di lalin nu isu ti ke lo
Elin nu isu ti
iju gwal ni ni apta ti bis kwal bada nega michka ai jida Kesa gwina mo ke keni ya awon to ajo mo ala nega mo ya nakte di wa oh thank you bis yeah
Kise kadua.
Oh, yeah. Abijay Dona. Well, I want to thank Brenda, Gloria, Carol, and of course Cami for heading all this stuff that's going on here, like doing the questions and stuff like that. And I'm glad that she got me involved in this because she made her job a lot easier. I had to do all the questions. And then I have to translate them, and sometimes, it's not easy translating, and so I did the best I could, and I think we did okay.
Yeah, well, we got a point.
We did not do okay.
You guys were already good talk for 30 minutes.
Yeah, well, look at your girl. Baby chick.
All right.
Okay, this is
We'll be seeing you next week again at the same time, same place, same time, new people.
New people? Yeah. All righty. Thanks, you guys. I gotta go back on the air.
I gotta go home and John up.
Good luck with the fishing.
It's not so bad once the sun really peaks up.
It'll be something yet.
Say, yeah.